Hi,
Yeah,
Ankita, how are you?
yeah. Hi, Akanksha. Absolutely fine. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also good.
How
Everything
is
is
your
good by God's grace. Yeah.
how is your day?
Yeah, my day was fantastic. Today's day was quite hectic, but yeah, it was good. What about your
Uh,
day?
yeah, my day is going good. Just I was before your send you send me message, so that time I was little bit tap nap, but I thought let's connect with Akanksha. So I'm here.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, as we are meeting first time on video call, that's why I would like to know about yourself for my viewers. Personally, I know about you. That's why please introduce yourself.
Yeah, definitely, Akanksha. So my name is Amrita Mishra. I'm connecting with you from Mumbai, Maharashtra. And if I talk about my qualifications, so I have done post graduation in B.Ed also. Before marriage, I was teacher, but after got married, I left the job. Reason I have one daughter. She's 4.5 years old. This is a special reason, and I don't join any kind of school and any kind of job, but right now I'm learning this language like because this year my daughter took the admission in the junior kg, and I am utilize this time. That's about me. Could you introduce
Oh,
yourself?
that's yeah, sure, sure. As you know, my name is Akanksha. I'm talking from Delhi. I'm a mother of two kids, and my qualification is post graduation. And
Mhm.
and if I talk about my interest, I have interest in talking in English. I want to talk with the new people in this language so I can improve my English as well. And in my leisure time, mostly I do listening music, listening podcast, and English content, and cooking as well. And
Okay,
yeah,
that's
that's all about me.
okay. Nice to meet you, Akanksha. Okay, you mention you free time, you try to connect the people. So when you connect the people, how do you feel? Do you interested when you connect the new stranger, new person? So how do you feel?
Yeah, I feel very good. Only if I know the person who has interest in this language and he also and she also wants to improve their English, then I want to talk with them. Otherwise, I don't want to connect with the stranger people because in this time, if you connect with the stranger people without thinking, it's maybe risky, right?
Yes, yes, absolutely right. Okay. Okay, just my question. I have one other question. Like, there is a 3 and 4 category. Is like a beginner, co-learner, intermediate, and advanced level. Okay. Some people say to like a co-learner and beginner level, don't use the advanced vocabulary. So, what do you think about these types of matter?
Okay, using advanced level vocabulary you are talking about.
To beginner, especially beginner and co-learner. So, what do you think? It is right point? Yeah, it is wrong.
Not a wrong. If you are capable to use advanced vocabulary, then you can. But in beginning time, we know about the so many problems we have to face in a beginning time, like hesitation, lack of confidence, and sometimes we have a grammar problem also. That moment, if you try to advanced level vocabulary, that moment it would be very risky. I can say that must
Yes.
be you get stuck while talking. You can maybe spoil your whole conversation. That's why it would be good if you start with the basic words, basic vocabularies and sentence structure. It would be easy to understand. It would be easy to make your conversation better way. That's why being a
Great.
a basic being a beginner, it should be good if you start with the basic vocabularies.
Yeah, you give the reply very nicely because when I connect just my example, when I am already co-learner, but when I connect sometime like a co-learner with co-learner and a beginner level, so sometime I realize compared to me they have a good knowledge. because they use the advanced vocabulary. But what happened, like some person have a different kind of mind and thought. So like we cannot judge to other one, because beginner level, they some person have a beginner, okay, but already they have a good command, like tenses, vocabulary and pronunciation. So definitely they should use this kind of new vocabulary also.
Yeah, yeah. That moment you
Yes.
can use, but it would be
Hmm.
good if you start with the beginning. If you start with the basic vocab.
Yes, yes, absolutely right. Depends on your capacity.
And what about you? Do you also use advanced vocabulary while talking?
Right now I am learning, but my memory power is not too much good. I recall, but during the conversation I forget. But sometime I try to like apply during the conversation new vocabulary. But right now only I focus in my make the good structure in sentences. I'm not
Hmm.
putting a lot but learning the new vocabulary and how can I pronunciation and how can I use this the conversation. Yeah, because I'm co-learner. It is a reason. But day by day, I'm taking baby steps. Definitely in the future, definitely I will be start using the new vocabulary and advanced vocabulary also. Yeah.
Yeah, sure, sure, sure. As you told,
Mhm.
you have a one baby, and do you speak with her in English at your home?
Yeah, sometime I speak, because what happened, my daughter, she is junior KG and whole day like 5 hours she spend time in the school, and my daughter school is ICSC board, so there is a good environment related this language. So my daughter come back at home and I try to speak with my daughter. So sometimes say to me, Mama, please don't use speaking, don't use English speaking part. Because whole day I speak English, mama. I'm not comfortable. So it depends on my daughter mood, but definitely I try to speak with my daughter. And after a few hours, when feel comfortable, so I started talking. Especially evening time when my daughter got up again and take the like snacks, any kind of little bit food. After that, my daughter feel very happy, and I speak with my daughter. Yeah.
That's a good way. If you start with your kid, that is the good way to for your kids also and for yourself as well. Because at your home you can take benefit. If your
Mm,
kids are interested to talk with you in English, then it would be good. If they have a no interest, however, you can make the environment at your home because you have an interest in this language, then you can make them
yes.
understand this language easily, right?
Yes, yes. Daughter English is good. My understanding is too much good. But she have not too much vocabulary, because my daughter age is like a four and a
Yeah.
half year. But she have a like a she have catching power too much. That she has
Hmm.
catching power too much, and like when I come back at home from school, so everything she describe like English word. So it is a good, it
Oh.
is a I am thinking, because I am mother, and when I listen my daughter this kind of situation, and they are using this kind of speaking word, so I am very happy, because everything she described in the only English language. Teacher told me, a friend told me, everything she described very nicely. Yeah.
Hmm. And what is your motive to learn this language? Any kind of motive? Do you want to get job? That's why you are learning this language or something else?
Okay, so like marriage, I was teacher, but after having kid, it is my responsibility, because I am mother. It is my responsibility take care to my daughter. But like day by day, my daughter is like increasing. So I am thinking, like I'm searching the job, work from home job. But these days, it is not possible getting the work from home job.
Mhm.
Especially, I'm not
Right.
searching, well, especially I'm not searching only teaching job. Any kind of job, work from home only I want. So I am thinking just a few months. I polishing my communication skill, and I collect the lots of knowledge related this language. After that, definitely I will join the any kind of job. Yeah, I have a already plan. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Without English, I can say that in this
Mm.
era, it's very difficult to get your job without
Yes.
English communication.
Mm.
Yeah,
Yes,
because
absolutely.
I'm facing also this kind of problem. But yeah, I have cracked so many interview just because of my communication skills. Because if someone asks any question, I'm able to give answer in this time because
Did,
I
did
have
you
practiced a lot.
okay? So these day, did you give the any kind of interview last a few
Yes,
months?
I have. Yes,
Okay.
I had given so many
Which
interviews
which kind of interview?
in HR recruitment. I have an interest in this field. That's why I'm
Okay.
seeking this job, this kind of profile job.
Okay, okay, okay. It's good. And like
Hmm.
last 2 month, like a 3 month, 4 month before joining this application, already I gave the interview, BPO call, BPO job. Okay, and I was selected because there was requirement Hindi or English both are. So both are English was my not too much good, but there was not there was compulsory, not important. So I selected, but my mother-in-law was not ready keeping to my daughter in the daycare. So I am thinking if I learn in the good way this language, definitely I can apply again any kind of good job, not only especially teaching John and BPO job. Yeah.
Hmm. In this time, do you live with your in-laws as well?
No, no, I'm living in the Mumbai nuclear family, but my in-laws is very close to me and my husband and my daughter, and my
Suppose,
mother is love to my daughter, so she's not
okay.
ready. She's not ready keep to my daughter in the daycare. It is a reason.
Oh, but suppose if you get your job or office work, then how do you manage? If
Okay,
your in-laws doesn't live with you, if
actually,
your in-laws doesn't live with you, that moment, how do you manage your family?
I
Especially
understand.
you have a small kid.
Yeah, actually, my mother-in-law 6 months before told me this year, your daughter age is very small, she is very young, and you expend time any kind of job you can do work from home, but don't keep to her in the daycare because every school and daycare is safe, but just see have a good experience our life. So this is a reason how any kind of problem if she faces, how will she explain with you. It is a reason. So I thought okay,
Mm.
because my mother-in-law age is 60 plus, so I she has a good knowledge related this all environment.
Yes.
So I thought okay, definitely this year I can use any kind of job I can do, and I can utilize this time. So I am I am learning this language only. I utilize this time, and definitely next year I will join and I will apply any kind of job. Yeah.
Hmm. Till then, your fluency will be also enhanced, right? You have any other question for me? You can ask.
Yes, I have one situation question. Can I share with you?
Yeah, sure. If you have, then you can.
Okay, I have a one question. This is a situation question. Just imagine someday before your friend call you, your best friend, and she called you, Akanksha, I want shifted your city next month. Okay, but she is unknown about your city. So how will you help? How will you help your friend? How will you suggestion? How will you give her suggestion?
Yeah, yeah. If my friend called me, then definitely I would give her good suggestion because I have been living in this city for a long time. That's why I have idea about it. Which place is good for us, which place is not good for us, which one is safe for our family. That's why I would suggest her where I live in this colony. I would suggest her, okay, you can come in my city because it is safe for our family and for any kind of facility you can get very easily. That's why I would suggest her, you can come. in my city where you can get every facilities. Because I don't suggest her you can go another city where I have no idea about that city in terms of facility, in terms of education, in terms of electricity, whatever they have condition, that kind of things. If I have no any kind of idea, that's why definitely I don't give her any kind of suggestion without knowing. That's why whatever I have knowledge, then I would suggest, please come in my city, because I can also help her in terms of any kind of helping her. If she wants to cook, if she has a no time for shifting, if she shift in my city and she has a no time, that moment I can call her for dinner, for having lunch, because she is my friend. Because and she comes in my she she is going to come in my city. That's how I can help her. And I can suggest her good college, good hospital, any kind of suggestion I would give her. That's why I always prefer to come in my city.
Yeah, absolutely right. Because she is a very good friend. So first of all, we should try ask where which kind of area you want live. Okay. And second thing, if she is a working person, so definitely this is my responsibility. Ask the where is your office? Okay. And which class do you have children? So which class study?
Yes, yes, of course.
Yeah.
Okay, Amrita, it was very lovely conversation with you, and thank you so much for being on my channel, and thank you so much for giving your precious time. Thank you. I hope I would like to meet once again.
Yeah. Thank you, Akanksha. Have a nice day. Bye bye.